Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a photo or profile picture to your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. Now under Basic Info section, click on the camera icon next to Photo. Click on Add Profile Photo button. Click on Upload. Click on Choose Photo to upload. Navigate to the file location, select the photo and click Open. Click on the Rotate button to rotate the photo. If you want, you can also crop the photo. After making the changes, click on Save as Profile Picture. That's it, your profile picture has been updated. This is how you can add a photo or profile picture to your Google account. Thank you for watching.